Elijah, do you still wear your store lanyard?
Yeah.
Girl.
My keychain broke. So hello you guys, I am back and have another video from the archives. And I think that's what I'm gonna kind of do, is kind of like go back and forth between the old videos that I never edited and never put anywhere and new videos to put up for you guys. So this video is older, and it's got a lot of friends in it, and I'm excited to share that with you. I also have a cameraman that helps me with it, which is really great and a lot of fun. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up down below and let me know what you think. So let's get to it. Are you good? Yeah. Okay. So, hey y'all, it's me, Dalton James. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, you can see we're in my car. It's gonna be a little bit of a different video. We're gonna go pick up some of my friends and we're gonna go to Starbucks and order like low-cal Starbucks drinks, and low-carb Starbucks drinks that you can get. And yeah, so let's go pick them up. Just get in the car. Just get in the car. I don't know if I can. Are you like, ow, okay?
What am I sitting on? This is a whole ass camera.
No, it's a LumiCube. It's LED
Shut
lights
up.
for when you're filming. So please welcome Tyler and Tucker. Unless y'all want like fake names.
No, Tyler and Tucker works. Yeah.
Yeah, so Tyler and Tucker are gonna go with me to Starbucks and they're gonna try out all of these drinks, and we're going to yeah, kind of rate the different diet beverages that we saw online and all that stuff. Yeah. So you might not be able to see this, but my door is held together by duct tape, because this like inside door panel fell off. Is that Rochelle? This duct tape has been working for a while, but I just like was closing it today and the duct tape like pulled a little bit, and now there's like a gross residue along the door.
Wonderful.
Whenever my car is clean, I am going to like burn it. All right, so I'm going to get gas before we head over to Starbucks, but I will be right back.
What is this? How the fuck is it so messy?
Okay, I actually really do have a problem with this.
Like,
should I do an unboxing? Okay.
just a random t-shirt? Like, this
He
is
like
a
actually, he like, it's like he actively lives out of his car. And I know for sure he doesn't. So I'm like, why is there so much? Is this
I'm just like worried, dude. Like, this is like an issue. This is a significant amount of clothes.
like this food? Just kidding. Imagine if there was actual food in here. There probably is.
I mean, I wouldn't doubt it, dude. This is really big. Okay, how do we like tell him?
Do y'all need anything from inside?
No, we're good.
Okay, I'll be back.
Because something's got to be done. This is actually disgusting.
I mean, I don't know what to do. I can't sit in this. Honestly, maybe we should just like, maybe we should just rip into him and just tell him to clean it in here, because like this is kind of unacceptable.
Yeah. Do you want me to handle it? Try to be respectful, or should we like rip into him? I mean, it's kind of messy.
I kind of want to be mean.
But this is like uncalled for messy.
Like, I know, so I'm gonna be uncalled for me.
Yeah, as long as it gets clean. I mean, I just want to make sure he's good, because like this is, I've seen his car messy, but this is like I live in my car messy.
Yeah, no, I've never seen this. Cute. I'm just gonna start going through this shit. There's headphones in here. I kind of want to take them.
Bet.
Honestly, I think we should just be like straight up and just be like, listen.
Well, I mean, you're as little, so I'm gonna let you handle it. Because I know you can do it, like rip into him, but like respect him.
But I'm gonna like be really mean if I tell him.
I think that's what he needs. Have you seen it?
Okay.
Like, I mean, this isn't even the worst. Like the back, look at the back. He literally has like
I'm
a
not
whole
looking in the
wardrobe
back
in here.
anymore. Dalton, I have a serious issue to bring to your attention.
Okay.
The state of your vehicle is unacceptable.
What do you mean? I know it's like a little dirty.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Uh-uh.
This is unacceptable.
It's like
There's garbage. There's like literal garbage galore.
Then why do you have your entire wardrobe in here?
Don't you got a house?
I do have a house.
Can't you act like you live in it then?
I know you want to go to Starbucks, but I think we need to, this is necessary.
I'm not riding to Starbucks in this.
Yeah.
We'll get out. I'll take a look at it because I don't really know what it looks like.
Take a gander.
I'll like take a look through my stuff, and I'll see if maybe there's some stuff that can leave the car. Why do you want to do an unboxing video?
This is my debut. I've got to keep it going.
This is my YouTube debut.
I'm pumping out the ideas.
I'm just pumping out all of this content.
All this content.
Do you watch my videos? No, you don't.
I haven't. I have not as of late.
That one with Aiden?
My what?
The one with Aiden in it was good.
Thank you.
She's funny.
I think it was really good.
I like her.
That was probably one of my funniest videos.
I think your party one was your best one.
Just because you were in it.
Oh my god.
But the party one caused so much controversy.
So much, and I knew it.
Why?
I knew it was gonna cause shit. I was like, I knew some shit was about to go down because I went to work and it was at 50 views, and all of a sudden it was at 350 views, like within an hour. And I was like, that is not okay. None of my videos do that, so it tells me that some shit's about to go down.
It doesn't
really feel like having my first scandal.
Yeah,
so I just canceled it before it happened.
Until we get monetized, then we can have a scandal. And
Oh
shit's
my
gonna
god, that pisses me off.
It's hard for a boy to come to his father and expose his ancient tribal cultures, obscure scientific data, the thoughts of great philosophers would never come in handy.
To no end. T. No, you're not hitting a jewel on my channel.
He already did. What?
Let's get out and just see what's going on.
We can already see what's going on, but I think you need to see
I'll
it.
let you take a gander at your own mistakes because it's clear that you need some self-reflection right now.
Yeah.
Elijah, do you still wear your store lanyard?
Yeah.
Girl.
My keychain broke.
Alright, look, Dalton. So, me and Tyler have both ridden in the back. And I know you obviously haven't looked back there for a while.
I mean, I don't tend to ride in the back of my own car.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, stop avoiding the problem at hand. Open up your trunk and just think about...
Face the music, honey.
Yeah, just think about what needs to be done. Putting a dark cloud on Tyler and I. What is that? Is this a fence?
It's a dog crate.
For what dog?
What dog do you have?
I was watching my friend's dog and so I had it.
So you left it in. How long ago was that?
Like a month.
Time. There's a... So you were in a fraternity, huh?
No, that's for water, for plants.
Yes, of course. That's why it has a nozzle and looks identical to a beer bong. Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. So, I think as your friends, it's time for you to step up and get it together.
Because I feel like the center's not as bad as the trunk.
Oh,
Okay.
Sure, we can take a peek.
Yeah, go
All
ahead.
Go ahead.
Get it,
You are right. The center is definitely not as bad.
Not as bad at all.
That's a whole skillet. There's Oreos in here.
But they're probably still good.
That is not Dalton. That's a whole thing of
still
Oreos. I'm not eating one of those. Those are also mint Oreos.
No, they're pistachio Oreos. Gross. Okay, so maybe I should clean my car.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I think that's a definite.
But like, it's gonna take a lot of work. I don't really want to do that.
Well, you got to get your life together, bud. We're here for moral support. We'll root you on. But you got to get something done.
What's that? Okay, so I think the first thing is just to see like what trash there is.
Why do you still have that in there?
I don't know.
So I'll start another bag of clothes that you're keeping.
And then I have like a trash bag. My sweatshirt. I wonder what these shoes were. They're formal.
No, it's not because I
Lost it.
Yeah. I left it in the room.
I went back to that gas station and bought another one. So the clothes I'm keeping. Sweatpants.
Dalton, this is a whole wardrobe. Is that from Disney?
Yeah.
When did you go
went
to Disney?
like 3 months ago.
This is from the first time I went to Disney.
So that's a significant amount of time.
That would have been May 20th, 2018.
You're so ugly. For that.
You have
Cannot believe this. Obviously not the car.
Yeah, not the car. Anything else.
This is my Jeffree Star shirt.
Oh,
Wow.
that's kind of cute. See?
A piece of a desk? That's a blazer.
No,
How
this
long
is
has this
my-
been in here?
This is my
This is your blazer from homecoming.
No. This is my blazer from the first day of school when I was in that
That's
when I was in
Idiot.
that one thing. Can you find somewhere for this to go? That's not.
I'll put it in your front seat.
Okay. Do I really need both the Mickeys or just one? For like
You don't need either of those.
For like mementos.
Not in your car. You could put them in your house. You know where you live.
But like my car. And here's the balloon that they were attached to.
Just clean the car.
Let's go. Let's throw it away. No. Throw it away.
I need
It's been
it.
in your
don't.
car for 6 months. You don't need it.
I need it.
You don't need it.
It's a memento.
Put it back.
It's a memento that you didn't know you have because it's been in the back of your trash bin for 6
But
months.
I want it.
You lost that choice. You don't get to want it anymore. It's just in the back of your car. Come on. Beads.
There they are.
Oh
Why?
my god.
Why
I
are
was
they in
looking
there?
for these.
Can I have
Oh,
those?
yeah. Why
Just
are they in
kidding.
there?
Just kidding, I have my AirPods.
Yeah, because we're not poor.
Dalton, throw it away.
I'm gonna put holes in it.
We can make you like a poncho.
Oh my god, yes, thanks.
We made him a poncho.
You have no armholes.
I will in a sec.
I need this. This is from my commencement.
Okay.
And then I think this is a bag of clothes I was donating. And I think this is two.
That's another blazer. 2 blazers. Are you sure we want to keep going like this?
Yeah.
I think it's time to start throwing stuff away.
We are throwing away.
That's 6 things. This is a bag full of like
I know, but these are like
19 shirts.
clothes that I need.
Can you essentially
We're
rip it off
making
of
progress. Do you see this?
Me? Can you
The trunk is
essentially
like
rip it off of me?
You have not made a dent.
Yeah.
Keep cleaning.
you should have been serving like
5 minutes of cleaning. That's what we have. This is an epidemic.
Oh, here, you already have bad clothes.
these are going to Goodwill. Trash. Yeah.
How long have they been going to Goodwill?
A long time. I just need to actually like go to Goodwill. You know.
At least he's a good person.
Just like you need to actually
What?
clean your
At
car.
least you're a good person.
Yeah, I'm gonna donate the clothes that I don't use instead of being like those people who are like moochy and need money from Play-Dohs, which I bought these from Play-Dohs.
Okay,
This
what
is
do you
a
need?
work shirt, so I need that. They'll just hold the trash bag. If I ever do this roll
Put it
again, I
in
need
here.
that.
Put that in here.
The fuck?
No,
That
I
is
need
not.
that.
You're not saving.
What do
that.
you
No,
need it for?
but if I have to do that event again, I need to have that hair.
Bitch, you're moving to...
Ah, yes.
Should I do the rest of the video in this?
Hey, look.
It's my graduation
Oh, you
robes.
can't throw that away, honey. Put
You-
that shit in there.
You graduated. Oh my.
You definitely graduated it like a year ago, though, so...
Yeah, May.
Get it together, honey.
May 4th.
Come on,
Put it in there
Let's go.
like the past.
Yeah, it's now been a year since I graduated college, so.
Why do you have a pair of scissors?
I don't know.
What is that? Is that a piece of your car?
Yeah, it goes right here. This is my nice blazer.
Blazer round 2.
This is my nice one. That I
Yeah,
paid like
look at it
$400
now.
for it.
Yeah, and look how wrinkly it is.
I'll take it to the kitchen. Look at the progress. Can we just like talk about the progress
Yeah,
though?
that's all you needed. Super simple, very easy. I don't know why you let it get so heavy up in there.
Okay, now you have a whole thing of cleaning supplies. Are you kidding me, Dalton?
I can't do this. No, stop filming. I really can't.